Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discussing important question of English literature. It's very useful question. So let's start. First question: Who wrote this? Who wrote the essay note on the knocking the gate in Macbeth and murder considered as one of the fine arts? Okay, A. Charles Lamb, B. William Hazlitt, C. Thomas De Quincey, and D. Leigh Hunt. Who wrote the essay note on the knocking at the gate in Macbeth and murder considered as वन ऑफ दी फाइन आर्ट, तो वो हो जाएगा थॉमस डी क्वेंसी. राइट आंसर इज सी. हुज फेम एज एन एसिस्ट रिट्स ऑन इमेजिनरी कन्वर्सेशन, तो ए है डी क्वेंसी, बी है हंट, सी है स्कॉट्स एंड डी है लैंडर. तो राइट आंसर जो होगा फ्रेंड वो डी हो जाएगा, लैंडर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: द क्रेडिट ऑफ प्योरिंग द हिस्टोरिकल नॉवेल ऑफ ऑफन एट्रीब्यूटेड टू, तो ए है गॉडविन, बी है स्कॉट, सी है ऑस्टिन एंड डी है साउदे. तो द क्रेडिट ऑफ द प्योरिंग द हिस्टोरिकल नॉवेल इज ऑफन एट्रीब्यूटेड to the Scots. Right answer is C, B. Next question: Which of the following attempt at historical fiction was made pure to Scott popularization of the genre? तो ए है फ्रेंड इसमें द स्कॉटिश शीप बाई जी एन पॉटर, बी है द क्रिस्टल ऑफ और रिटर्न टू बाई हॉरेस वॉलफोल, रिसेसेस बाई सोफिया ली एंड डी है ऑल ऑफ द एबव. तो करेक्ट आंसर is D, all of the above. Next question: In which of his novel Scott represented that Shakespeare died in 1590 without writing his tragedy is Woodstocks? Right answer is C. Next question: in which one of Austen's novel Fanny visits her parents' home at apartment after an absence of more than 10 years? तो वो हो जाएगा मैंसफील्ड पार्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: वेयर डज डार्सी पर्पज एलिजाबेथ इन द प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस? तो ए है हंसफोर्ड परसोनेस, बी है द विलेज बेल, सी है जर्मनी एंड डी है नन ऑफ द एबव. तो वेयर डज डार्सी पर्पज एलिजाबेथ इन प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस इज हंसफोर्ड परसोनेज. राइट आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंड: इन विच नॉवेल ऑफ ऑस्टिन जॉन डार्सवर्थ दी हैंडपैक्ड हस्बैंड अपीयर इज? ए है नॉर्थंगर एबे, बी है एम्मा, सी है सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी एंड डी है मैंसफील्ड पार्क. राइट आंसर इज सी, सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: विच वर्क ऑफ जेन ऑस्टिन इज सटायर डायरेक्टेड अगेंस्ट गोथिक रोमांस एंड स्टॉमी पैशंस इज द नॉर्थंगर एबे? राइट आंसर इज डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु रोड ब्लैंक वर्स ट्रेजेडी सच एज केन, मैनफ्रेड, मैरिनो फेरेरो and the form transformed is the Brian. Next question: Who wrote the tragedy John Woodville that was originally given the title Pride Care? given the title Pride Care is, आगे देखते हैं फ्रेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है. फर्स्ट है चार्ल्स लैम्ब, सेकंड है हैजली, थर्ड है डी क्वेंसी एंड डी है हंट. राइट आंसर इज ए, लैम्ब. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: द चर्च यार्ड स्कूल ऑफ पोएट मीन्स? तो ए है द पोएट हु रोट ओनली अबाउट द चर्च, सेकंड है द पोएट हु रोट पोएट्री चीपली ऑफ द मेलोंचोनिक स्ट्रेन, थर्ड है फ्रेंड द पोएट हु रोट फॉर द रिफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द चर्च एंड डी है ऑल ऑफ द एबव. राइट आंसर इज बी, द पोएट हु रोट पोएट्री चीपली मेलोंचोनिक स्ट्रेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड अ प्लाउमैन पोएट? तो ए है ब्लैक, बी है ग्रे, सी है थॉमसन एंड डी है बर्न्स. ओके, तो राइट आंसर जो होगा फ्रेंड वो डी हो जाएगा, बर्न्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: टॉम जोन्स बाई हेनरी फील्डिंग वाज डेडिकेटेड टू? तो ए है रिचर्डसन, बी है डॉफो, सी है जे लिटिलटोन एंड डी है बिशॉप पर्सी. राइट आंसर इज सी हो जाएगा, जे लिटिलटोन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: whom did T.L. Peacock satirize in his Nightmare Abbey is the Sally and Kids? Right answer is D. It is truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in a want of a wife. Which novel of Jane Austen begins with this sentence is the Pride and Prejudice? Next question: the Times, which acquired its name in 1788, was earlier known as the Daily Universal Register. Next question: Who among the following has written Hell is a city much like London is P.B. Shelley? Next question देखेंगे. Many critics have hailed the publication of the lyrical ballad as the beginning of the Romantic period. In which year was it published? Is 1798. Next question: In the Romantic writers were influenced by the idealism of German philosophers such as the Kant and Hegel. Right answer is D. Next question: Who among the following had called called Wordsworth a moral eunuch of the Sally? Right answer is C. Who emphasized the use of the language really used by man for poetry is Wordsworth. Right answer is B. Next question, the mariner in the ancient kill a bird. Identify the bird among the following is albatross. Right answer is A. Which who made a scattering attacks on the contemporary literary scenes and the Edinburgh Review through his satire, English birds and Scottish reviewers is Brian. Next question, I awoke one morning and found myself famous. Who commitment thus on his sudden success as a poet of Brian. Next question, regarding whom did Charles Brunet say the President are perfectly unknown to her? She rejected even speaking acquaintance with that stormy sisterhood of the Jane Austen. Next question, before they say tobacco, I would do anything but die. Who has been quoted here? To Charles Lamb. Next question, who hastened the death of kids according to Sally Adonius is the burial reviewers. Next question, who expressed his dislike for poetry that has a pale design upon us in one of his letters is the John Keats. Next question, it is no small things to have so loved the principle of beauty as to perceive the necessary relations between with truth and of the and of both with joy. Who is Arnold taking about his the sentence is the John Keats. Next question, friend, who called Keats a Greek for his the preoccupation with the Hellenism in poetry is the P.V. Shelley. Next question, which books though not literature exercise an enormous influence in England during the beginning of the 19th century is Thomas Penn Wrightman. Next question, who formed Pantscracy of the blank of the Susquehanna? Okay, so Susquehanna is the Gauldis and Saudi. Next question, who wrote Bliss was it dawned to be alive, but to be young was very heaven is William Wordsworth. Three of the following are called lack poets. Identify who is not is the Lord Byron. The age of romanticism was 1800 to 1850. Next question, name the woman novelist whose picture of Irish life suggested to Walter Scott the idea of writing Scottish romance is the Mary Worth. Next question, who writes novel of haunted castles, bandits, trapdoor and Howard is the Mrs. Anna Radcliffe? Or where do we meet Hermas Lysias? Avronius is the Lamia. The story of Lamia is taken from is the Philostratus and Keats. Endymion has the 4,000 line. Next question, which is the pair of lovers Endymion does not meet in Keats? Endymion is Romeo and Juliet. And next question, who wrote the famous preface to the lyrical ballad of the Wordsworth? Right answer is C. Next question, when were the lyrical ballad published? 1798. Next question, the lyrical ballad opened with the rhyme of the ancient minor and the lyrical ballad closes with the lines written above Tintern Abbey. And who was the third person with Coleridge and Wordsworth at Quantock Hills when the lyrical ballad were composed? Dorothy Wordsworth. Next question देखेंगे, William Wordsworth was born in 1770. Who of the following is known for his the Hellenic spirit of the John Keats? Who wrote of the who our sweetest song or those the tale of our saddest thought is P.V. Shelley. Okay, next question, how do we classify Shelley Prometheus Unbound as of the lyrical drama? Right answer is D. Who wrote this? He praised well, who loved well both man and bird and beast of the H.T. Coleridge. Or name the journal to which how they contributed regularly of the Quarterly Review. Next question, the Walter Scott collected Scottish ballad and published them along with his own in the Ministry of the Scottish Border. And next question is, how old was Brian when he published Hours of Idleness, a collection of poems in heroic couplet in 19. Next question, friend, when Hours of Idleness was criticized by Edinburgh Review, Lord Byron retells by writing a satiric piece. What was the title of the satire of the English birds and Scotch reviewers? Right answer is D. Next question, friend, how many cantos could Byron complete of the Childe Harold pilgrimage during his 2 years tour of the contentment of the first two? Next question, the first 2 cantos of the Childe Harold take a reader to of the all of the above. What is the tone of the ending of the second canto of the Childe Harold is फिटिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच कैंटो डज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द बैटल ऑफ वाटरलू अपीयर इज कैंटो थर्ड। ओके, राइट आंसर जो होगा वो सी हो जाएगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।